We can't deny the power of scents to attract your crush or lover. But believe it or not, smelling certain foods can make your dream guy or girl fall for you, even obsessed with you. Include these foods on your next date, or better yet, dine in at a place where the sensual aroma of these foods abound. 1. Pastries with cinnamon and vanilla. The sweet smell of pastries really pack a wallop in getting someone attracted to you. But pastries that include cinnamon and vanilla can amplify the attraction factor. Cinnamon has a pleasantly spicy scent that can stimulate blood flow and circulation, as well as intensify feelings of passion. On the other hand, vanilla's sweet and soothing aroma can reduce stress and anxiety, as well as induce an arousing and sensual atmosphere. Examples of food with cinnamon and vanilla include apple pie cobbler, pumpkin pie, or any pastry or donut that has cinnamon and vanilla in them. Pumpkin pie, in particular, has been found in studies to improve penile blood flow in 40% of males. 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, pink grapefruit and lemon not only provide a burst of flavor, but also possess intriguing attributes that can make them surprisingly appealing to both guys and gals. Studies indicate that the smell of oranges can boost alertness and improve men's arousal by 20%. For women who want to attract a man, let the scent of pink grapefruit linger and they'll naturally think you're younger than you really are. Lemons has been found to enhance libido by stimulating higher hormone levels. And here's something even more interesting. When men eat these citrus fruits, or any foods with lots of carotenoids, like mangoes, carrots, squash and bell peppers, the scent emitted from their sweat attract women like bees to honey. 3. Peppermint. The clean smell of peppermint can bring you to sensual heaven. Its stimulating and invigorating scent can get anyone into a passionately romantic mood. Prepare some peppermint tea and light up a peppermint candle to titillate your date or lover. Want to discover one unusual way to attract the guy or girl of your dreams? Watch this video next to unlock one psychological trick to make anyone fall for you, even obsessed with you.